Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Harris Sumita, and I am doing a BHSD 228 Tech tutorial on how to insert a YouTube video into a Keynote and have it start and stop right where you want it to stop. So let's begin. The first step you're going to want to do is to find a video you would like to insert in your Keynote. Right here, I have a video on how to make an email here in our district. So that's the video I want to insert in my Keynote. But I don't want all of this video. I only want part of it. Well, I know you're asking right now, Miss Harris, how do I get the video I chose to start and stop where I want? Well, I'm going to tell you. Follow these directions that I'm going to give you exactly. All right, here we go. You're going to open up Safari and type www.youtube.com. Notice, we're not using the YouTube app here. We are using our Safari web browser. Step 3 is our most exciting step ever. What you're going to do, locate your video in the Safari version of YouTube. Then you're going to do the following. First, you're going to press share after the video. Then you're going to see the screen that I have illustrated here under step 1. Then after that, you're going to select the word embed. Okay, when you select embed, then it's going to throw you to another screen where you see this big long hyperlink of a lot of code and that type of thing, and you're going to select the word copy, and that is illustrated under the number 2. Right, this is where you have to be very, very careful. After you have the embed code, which as you can see, looks like a lot of gobbledygook, you have to delete everything except what is listed between the quotation marks after https://. So as you can see above, I would copy and paste https://www.youtube.com/embed/xj163 -w capital H capital N R S. And that is basically your basic link. Now you have to add additional codes to start and end the video at the place you want. All right, so we're carrying over the basic link that we did in our previous slide. And now we have to figure out where we want our video to start and to stop. But we have to figure this out in seconds, and we can't figure it out in minutes. So, for example, if you want your slide to end somewhere that ends in minutes, you have to convert this to seconds. Okay? So I want to start my video at 41 seconds, but I want to end it at 3 minutes. So I'm going to convert that in seconds, and that makes 180 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the following codes with the start end times. And I'm going to add this to my basic link at the very end. No spaces in between. So I'm going to add question mark start equals 41 and end equals 180. Okay, so the new link would be that whole basic link plus what I just had you copy at the very end there. Okay, so now if your video started at a different time, of course you would take out my 41 and you would put your starting time in seconds, and then you would take out my 180 and put your ending time in seconds. Did I get it right? You can test it if you'd like. My video here starts at 41 seconds and it ends at 3 minutes. So if you want your video to start at a certain time and end at a certain time, go ahead and do it like this. If you have any questions, see the media specialist at your school, and we'll see you at the next tech tutorial. Thank you. Bye.